What if I told you there's a way to make money without trading your time for it? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. It's not only possible, it's something you can start today. Imagine waking up to find your bank account growing while you were sleeping. That's the power of passive income. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a passive income stream from scratch. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, save for a big goal, or just have some extra cash, this guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial freedom. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Finance 123 family for more tips like this. Let's get started. What is passive income and why should you care? Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. Think of it like a vending machine. You set it up once, and it keeps generating income for you. But here's the thing, it's not magic. It requires effort up front. The beauty of passive income is that once the system is in place, it works for you, not the other way around. Why should you care? Because it's the key to financial freedom. It gives you the freedom to live life on your terms, whether that means traveling the world, spending more time with family, or pursuing your passions. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep reading. Passive income is often misunderstood. It's not about getting rich overnight or doing nothing. Instead, it's about creating systems that generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Examples include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, royalties from books or music, affiliate marketing, or even creating an online course. The common thread? You put in the work initially, and over time, the income flows with little to no daily involvement. Why is passive income so important? First, it provides financial security. Relying solely on a paycheck can be risky. If you lose your job or face unexpected expenses, you're left vulnerable. Passive income acts as a safety net, diversifying your income streams and reducing financial stress. Second, it offers flexibility. Imagine having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, whether it's traveling, starting a new hobby, or simply enjoying more leisure time. Passive income makes that possible. Moreover, passive income can accelerate your journey to financial independence. By building multiple streams of passive income, you can eventually cover your living expenses without needing to work a traditional job. This is the essence of the FIRE, financial independence, retire early movement. It's not about retiring in the traditional sense, but having the freedom to pursue what truly matters to you. Of course, building passive income isn't easy. It requires planning, investment of time, money, or both, and patience. But the rewards are worth it. Start by identifying your skills, interests, and resources. Then, explore opportunities that align with your goals, whether it's investing in real estate, creating digital products, or building a blog. The key is to take consistent action. In conclusion, passive income is more than just a financial strategy. It's a lifestyle choice. It's about creating opportunities to live life on your own terms. So if you're ready to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a brighter future, now is the time to start. Take the first step today and watch as your efforts compound into lasting financial freedom. Define your financial goals. Before you jump into building a passive income stream, you need to know why you're doing it. What's your end goal? Is it to replace your current income, save for retirement, or just have some extra spending money? Your goals will determine the type of passive income stream you should pursue. For example, if you want steady, long-term income, investing in dividend stocks might be a good fit. If you're looking for something more flexible, creating an online course could be the way to go. Take some time to write down your goals and be specific. How much money do you want to earn? By when? Having a clear target will keep you motivated and focused. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So let's turn that wish into reality. Assess your skills and resources. Now that you know your goals, it's time to take stock of what you already have. What skills do you possess? Do you have savings to invest? Maybe you have a spare room you can rent out. Your existing resources can give you a head start. For instance, if you're good at writing, consider creating an ebook or starting a blog. If you're handy with tools, you could flip furniture and sell it online. The idea is to leverage what you already have to minimize upfront costs and effort. Don't worry if you feel like you don't have much to work with. Everyone has something valuable to offer. You just need to identify it. So grab a pen and paper and start listing your skills and resources. You might be surprised at what you come up with. Choose the right passive income stream. There are countless ways to generate passive income, but not all of them will suit your goals or lifestyle. Let's go over a few popular options. Investing in stocks or ETFs is a great way to earn passive income if you're comfortable with the stock market. Real estate is another option, whether it's renting out property or investing in REITs. Creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photography can generate royalties over time. Affiliate marketing is another popular option, where you promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Peer-to-peer lending is another option, where you lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. Choose one or two options that align with your goals and resources. Remember, it's better to focus on a few streams and do them well than to spread yourself too thin. Take action and build your system. This is where the magic happens. Once you've chosen your passive income stream, it's time to take action. If you're investing, open a brokerage account and start researching stocks or ETFs. If you're creating a digital product, outline your ebook or course content. The key is to break the process into small, manageable steps. For example, if you're starting a blog, your first step could be choosing a niche. Then focus on creating your first post. Don't overthink it, just start. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see results. Remember, action is the bridge between dreams and reality. So let's start building that bridge. Automate and optimize. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means minimal effort. Once your system is up and running, look for ways to automate and optimize it. For example, if you're renting out a property, hire a property manager to handle day-to-day tasks. If you're running a blog, use scheduling tools to automate your social media posts. The goal is to reduce the amount of time and energy you need to spend while maximizing your earnings. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Over time, your passive income stream will become more efficient and profitable. Remember, the key to success is not just working hard, but working smart. Reinvest your earnings. Here's a pro tip. Don't spend all your passive income right away. Reinvest a portion of it to grow your income streams even further. For example, if you're earning dividends, consider reinvesting them to buy more shares. If you're making money from a blog, invest in better tools or marketing to attract more readers. Reinvesting allows you to compound your earnings and accelerate your financial growth. Think of it as planting more trees to create a bigger forest. The more you reinvest, the more abundant your harvest will be. So don't just enjoy the fruits of your labor. Use them to plant more seeds. Stay consistent and patient. Building a passive income stream takes time and effort. There will be challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Stay consistent and keep your eyes on the prize. Remember, this is a long-term game. Even if you don't see immediate results, trust the process. Over time, your small efforts will add up to something significant. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Consistency is the secret sauce to success. So keep going and don't give up. Your future self will thank you. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building your own passive income stream. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So pick one idea from this video and take action today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance 123 for more tips on mastering your finances. Let's build a brighter financial future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.